Hi, this is Gary Stocker with College Viability, announcing the release of the first ever College Viability Inspection Report. And why are we doing this? In this era of colleges cutting back on programs, laying off faculty and staff, and too many even closing, we make the case that looking at the financial health of colleges should be the first thing that students and their families do when starting that college selection process. We draw an analogy with those many of us who have purchased homes. When we're looking at purchasing a home, we hire a housing inspector. And that housing inspector looks in great depth and detail at the house we are thinking about buying. And yet, as you see on the screen, how many of us are making essentially a similar financial decision, similar kind of dollars, based exclusively on the college's marketing material and even other biased websites? What we do at College Viability is we just use the data, and it's data that colleges themselves have submitted for a long time. They just don't make it easy for consumers like students and families and others to take a look at it. So what do? This is a sample inspection, fictional university, and we have 9 measures. Green is good, no flags. Red, obviously, we have concerns. And based on the data parameters that we use, you can see all about those by clicking on that link. And right off the bat on the home page, we offer some general observations. You can actually look at colleges with inspection flags. And there are almost 1,200 that graduate less than half their students. Here they are. And you can see their graduation rates. We look at ones that aren't making any money. There are 460 private colleges and public colleges that spend more than they earned in 2024. And there are almost 900 colleges who lose 25% of their freshman class in the first year. And you want to look at colleges doing well, colleges with healthy indicators. 221 graduate at least 70% of their students. Here they are. Here are the graduation rates. 1,600 made money. Here they are. And there's how much money they made. Almost $2 in revenues for $1 in expense. And those with good retention rates, also shown in the app. Want to take it one step further? We can even look at it by state. We can see those colleges, the number of flags they have, not good. We can look at it by category, financial health, value for money, those with no flags, and actually search for a college in that list as well. So let's actually search for a college. And I'm going to go to a college in Pennsylvania. Albright College has been in the news in that area. And we can see right off the bat, Albright College, private college in Pennsylvania, has 7 of the 9 flags we measure triggered. Clearly not a good look up front. They have a couple that are not flagged because they have ratios that are acceptable or results that are acceptable to us. We can dig deeper on this by clicking on the full inspection. And now we can click deeply on each one of these flags, each one of these measures to see what's going on. Let's take a look at one right here in the middle. We'll take a look at endowment savings. And we can see Albright College's endowment declined from 66 million to 53 million. You can see the actual numbers from 2020 through 2024. Let's take a look at something that's good, tuition allocation. They spend $2.26 on instruction and student support for every dollar in administration. That's a good ratio. So that's a good value for that college. And we can look at graduation rates. We can look at all of them. You can see not particularly strong for Albright College. This is the tool that you want to use to be able to see if colleges are going to be there for you in 4 years, or if they provide the kind of quality education you're looking for in the 4 years that you're going to a college. And what I've shown you so far, no charge. All of the data we have shown you to date in this video is at no expense to the users. We even take it one step further. We actually give you questions you can ask based on this college's results. I've got some samples here on the screen right now. Will I graduate on time? For Albright College, we can see not particularly impressive numbers. The trend is down. We can look at 6-year graduation rates. We can look at retention. These are the questions you ask. And here's why we provide the questions. You're spending a couple dollars to go see these colleges. We're estimating something like $500 to visit. $100,000, depending on the college you choose, of course, tuition and fees. And you buy stuff. You buy t-shirts and hats and coats at the colleges you're looking at. So what we're trying to do here is provide you with questions based on the context of a college's financial health or poor financial health so that you can ask these informed questions at the point of the tour. And of course, at this point, you have to be asking the question, well, what's this going to cost me? $49. To access all the financial data, no charge. To access the dedicated questions based on the college's financial results, graduation results, retention results, tuition allocation, endowment, all those things, $49 for unlimited use. And it gives you data from an independent source. We go beyond the college brochure. We give you facts and data and financial health that we believe nobody else offers for $49.